Hi there, this is a screen that should be familiar to all of you. It's the Google search engine, but this is a website that I've put together to help me battle with the number of days that have been staying in a Schengen area, specifically Spain. It's come about because I found most of the websites pretty poor regarding capturing the number of days, and it actually took me about well over an hour to go through my passport, counting up the in days and out days and in days and out days, and eventually I got it wrong. I took about an hour, and I came to the conclusion I was on 92 days, which is in breach of Schengen. So I thought, okay, fine, I'm going to get through. But yeah, I did. But when I go home, I thought, well, this has got to be a little bit more easier for me. So I needed to know the number of days I would be in Schengen on a daily basis, really. So I've put together this trial. I put together another part of the website which gives you access to storing your actual dates in Schengen, which I do now. And there's also projections as well, so you can say, well, what if I want to go into the Schengen area for another month in the future, and it'll calculate the dates for you. So it's a good tool. It saved me a lot of problems, and I'll just go through the website. This is how it looks on the desktop. Looks a little bit more like this if you're on a mobile. Works perfectly well on mobile. You can have a look at the home screen if you want. This is the home screen. We've got contact and about us, feedback and links, but I'll just take you through how to use the trial. It's fairly straightforward, I think. First thing you notice is you will get some days, some random days. I specifically do this because I was playing around with it, and having nothing come up was just not nice. So you get 40 days per session. If I was to go into another session on my webpage and do exactly the same, I'm going to get a different number of random days to play with. So we'll go back to the original one, 40 days, and you can see that we have two entries here, and I can basically delete these and start again. This is just for you to get used to using the tool. So if I wanted to add a range, a definite range that I'd been in Schengen area, say from the 1st of August to maybe the end of August, and then add the new range, it shows me that I've been in the Schengen area in August for 31 days. And again, like I say, if we restart this, you will lose this information. So you will need to actually log in and create an account, basically, and I can then store your data. But I'll show that in a different movie. So I'm just going to add a few more ranges, some random ranges here. Back in July, maybe July the 1st to 30th, and the range recalculates, and you can see at the time above the days.